Hello, this is your China local guide. So we've been to the Palace Museum and the Temple of Heaven, the traditional side of Beijing. So today we're going to have a look at the modern side of Beijing to the 2008 Olympic Games studio, Bird's Nest. Let's go. Okay, now we're at the subway station and the Bird's Nest is at the line 8. The green one at the 奥林匹克公园 Olympic Park. Today's weather is so good. Look at this. And see the tower? At the top of the tower, there's the Olympic symbol. We're at a square. There's someone who's singing. Just listen. Someone's dancing. Some coasters. Is that coasters? So cute. Just highly recommend you go through all this street to the Bird's Nest. It's very, very colorful life here. It's very interesting. Ta-da! We are here, waiting for the security check. This sausage. Okay, now we get in. I get one of this sausage. You can almost find this in every park in Beijing. It's very traditional Chinese version of the sausage if you can try it. And behind me is the Bird's Nest, and across the road, here, a little bit hidden, it's the water cube. Here's the water cube. Here's the Bird's Nest. We're waiting for the lights on. Okay. 那常拍到几层？巨观。太超亮了，拍到了。Wow, it's turning up. Okay, this is today's video. I will keep updating some travel tips in China, so if you guys like it, please subscribe.